Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Fucculent shirt is probably one of the most hilariously unique and conversation-starting pieces of apparel you can add to your wardrobe, perfect for plant lovers with a playful sense of humor who aren't afraid to show off their quirky personality and passion for succulents in a truly unforgettable way, making it an absolute must-have for casual outings, garden parties, or just lounging around with a smile. Number 5. BLACKMYTH Women's Graphic Summer Tops. Discover your perfect summer look with these adorable graphic tees. They are designed to keep you comfortable and stylish all season long. Crafted from premium, soft fabric, these tops feel great against your skin. You'll love how breathable and light they are, perfect for warm days. Express your personality with a wide array of cute and unique graphic designs. There's a perfect one for every mood and occasion. These versatile tops can be dressed up or down with ease. Pair them with shorts, skirts, or jeans for effortless everyday fashion. Make them your favorite choice for casual outings, beach trips, or simply relaxing at home. They are the ultimate blend of comfort and charm. What we like? This one features a cute graphic, perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your summer wardrobe. If you're looking for a comfortable and stylish top for casual outings, this is an excellent choice. Its soft fabric ensures all-day comfort, making it ideal for warm weather. What people say. Number 4. BLACKMYTH Women's Funny Graphic T-Shirts. Discover the unique charm of BLACKMYTH. These tees bring a fresh, fun vibe to your everyday wardrobe. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton, they ensure all-day comfort. You'll love how gentle it feels against your skin. Featuring an array of funny graphic designs, they let your personality shine. Each top is a statement piece. Perfect for any casual occasion, these short-sleeve tops are incredibly versatile. Pair them with your favorite jeans or shorts for an easy, stylish look. Designed for a relaxed fit, they offer both style and ease. Elevate your casual collection with these must-have pieces. What we like? With its funny graphic design, this tee is sure to bring a smile. Made from comfortable cotton, it's perfect for everyday casual wear. If you appreciate humor in your fashion and prioritize natural fibers, this top is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 3. Fucculent Cactus Succulents Retro T-Shirt. Are you a fan of unique style and a touch of humor? This shirt is designed for those who love gardening with a playful twist. It brings a fantastic retro vintage vibe to your wardrobe. You'll love its classic feel and distinctive look. Featuring a fun cactus and succulent design, it perfectly captures your love for plants. Wear it to show off your green thumb and witty personality. Whether you're tending to your garden or just enjoying a casual day, this tee is your ideal companion. It's great for any occasion where comfort meets cool. Stand out from the crowd with this eye-catching piece. It's more than just clothing, it's a statement of your fun, plant-loving spirit. What we like? This shirt boasts a unique retro vintage aesthetic, celebrating your love for gardening. Its distinctive design makes it a great conversation starter for plant enthusiasts. If you're a fan of unique, vintage-inspired apparel and want to showcase your passion, this is the one for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to select the top points. Number 2. Women's Fucculent Cactus Gardening Tank Top. Discover your new favorite top. This playful design celebrates your passion for all things green, especially succulents and cacti. Crafted for ultimate comfort, it's perfect for any casual occasion. You'll love how soft and breathable it feels, keeping you cool all day. Whether you're tending to your plants or simply enjoying a sunny day, this tank top is your ideal companion. It adds a touch of humor to your everyday wardrobe. Featuring a witty and charming succulent graphic, it's sure to bring a smile to your face and those around you. Show off your love for plants in a fun, stylish way. This tank top is more than just clothing, it's a statement. Get yours today and let your personality bloom. What we like? This tank top offers a comfortable and breathable option, specifically designed for women. Its sleeveless design is perfect for warmer days or layering under open shirts. If you prefer a more relaxed fit and need something cool for gardening or summer activities, this tank is an excellent pick. What people say. No positive product details found in the provided empty source. Please provide product reviews to extract details. Number 1. What the Fucculent Tank Top. Introducing a unique statement piece for your wardrobe. This tank top is designed to express your personality with a touch of humor. Featuring a playful and eye-catching graphic, it's perfect for those who love a bit of wit. The design is sure to spark conversations and smiles. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, it ensures maximum comfort all day long. You'll love how it feels against your skin, keeping you cool and relaxed. Whether you're heading to a casual outing or just lounging at home, it's your go-to choice. Pair it with your favorite jeans or shorts for an effortless look. It's more than just clothing, it's a way to show off your fun side. Grab yours today and let your style do the talking. What we like. This simple tank top is incredibly versatile, making it easy to pair with anything. Its lightweight feel ensures maximum comfort, whether you're working out or lounging. If you're seeking a basic yet impactful piece for layering or standalone wear, this minimalist tank is a great choice. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to generate the requested points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.